I'm sorry, but looks like we had some technical issues. Anyway, the data is out. So there is a data over here. Again, I'm sorry for this. So let's have a look how the pound will behave. Still trying higher with Canadian and Aussie, a little bit lower, trying lower with the euro, so meaning here pound is a little bit stronger. Nothing extraordinary versus yen, at least for now. We'll see. I would like to buy pound Aussie again on dip. I would like to sell some rallies towards 89 on the euro pound. We will see. We have some time. Okay. Not big reaction. At least not big reaction for now. Now trying to push higher with the Canadian one. The thing is that pound is not moving right now. That's where I see the problem. Hi, video editor. So, trying to summarize, I'm going to try to sell versus euro around 89 with the tight stop above 89.10. with the Australian dollar, it might be tricky because of the RBA tomorrow. That would be great to try to see the retest of the support and then higher. That would be the best thing. So, but we have to be patient. There is no reason to try to chase something, especially that we are approaching end of the month and end of the quarter. So. But it's not moving, not at all. Exactly. It's 2-3 pips. But it might be related. It might be related that market is trying to prepare itself for fixings only, trying to trade out this end of the month, end of the quarter. It also could be that market was waiting for something weaker, right? In relation to this whole Brexit saga, and didn't get that. So market is trying to figure it out what next. Gold, it's what we discussed this morning and last week, has to break 85.80 to have a possibility to create head and shoulder on daily. But it might be, guys, it might be tricky because of the end of the month, end of the quarter. Not in my interest today. Not in my interest today. All right, right now trying to push higher. If you remember the morning session pre-London Open, I've been long right at 81.72 probably. Now the thing is that probably this range is in play right now. As we've seen, there was some rejection, but in case of the breakout, that's the possible target, something around 83.20. Okay, but how I'm going to try to join this party to the upside in that case? I'm gonna to use the pullback. I'm not gonna try to chase this right after the break. I'm not going to do that way. I want to see the break of those two lines. Something like this, so some kind of the stop hand, right? Then I would like to see the pullback. Now, where I would like to see the pullback? Somewhere here. Something like shy below 82. And then eventually this type of the move, 83.20. But I would like to see that 83.20 ahead of the RBA. RBA tomorrow might be very, very tricky. Sleepy, sleepy. Pound is sleepy. In the meantime, guys, don't forget that over the course of the day, we are getting from different lands, we are getting this German CPI and the final report around US Open. Yeah, in case of some kind of the surprise, it might be market mover for the euro. So also it's worth to monitor that from this euro pound perspective. As of now, for example, we have few numbers. So let me provide that for you. Alright, there is an attempt to break higher on the pound Canadian and pound Australian. But only clear break and pullback without chasing the market. That's what I'm gonna to look for. Clear break, pullback, and then eventually. No reason to chase. Clean break, pull back, and then eventually long. And that's going to be the target. Somewhere around 64.25, 64.50. But as of now, we are moving within the downward channel, testing the demand, working well. All right, that's it from my side, guys. No fireworks, at least no fireworks for now. Watching carefully the development on the pound. Don't forget it's the end of the month, end of the quarter. Unusual price action possible. We do have this German CPI, it's worth to monitor, and as well as Chicago PMI later during the New Year's session. I'm going to cover RBA rate decision tomorrow morning, so you are more than welcome to join me. Don't be trapped today. Have a great rest of the day. Only green peeps. Enjoy. Goodbye.